Morning, sir. How are we doing this morning? Just open the door for you. Pop some lights on, follow me in. So yeah, there's a fair array of products on this van. Anything new we bring to the market we tend to put on the vans. This section is predominantly set out for steering suspension. On this section there's a few things that have been revised. Shock absorber toolkit, that's been revised recently where we've added more products into it. So you've got go through sockets and holding tools for shock absorbers. They go through the centre, stop the shocks turning while you undo them. Very popular product that. We've also got a new cam pulley holding toolkit. This is essentially a VAG at OE tool. It will do other brands as well. Belt and chain driven pulleys. The crank pulley removal tool is very popular at the moment as well. Even though it's a revised older tool, this is now self-centers on a threaded bar and it's got interchangeable depth jaws. One of the new products that we've got out, a very popular item at the moment, is a button clip tool, and it's designed for fuel line clip release, like what I featured here in this rig. It's a little bit more versatile than the pair of pliers, so anywhere you can't get a pair of pliers in there, you can put it in by hand, compress it and remove. Moving on to this section of the van, and we've got some oil and filter tooling. The latest oil filter cup set we've released, now in a steel construction rather than the pressed tin type. Covers a fair range of models in that kit. Sump repair kit here, very popular items, 1mm oversized plugs, to get you out of trouble if you've got a thread that's stripped on an aluminium sump. In this section here we've got a lot of diesel products. Most popular selling product as a service aid on the diesel is the fuel priming kit, very popular for Fords and Volvos. Fuel filter removal tool, Ford Transit, most popular selling fuel filter wrench at the moment. Glow plug removal, this probably goes against everything you think you should be doing with a glow plug. It's oscillation and vibration in its operation. You get it in onto the glow plug and it oscillates and vibrates and hopefully removes them without the breakage. We also got some updates of kits on here. Alternator freewheel pulley kit, and this has got some new products in it as well. You may or may not have come across any of these yet. Down here we've also got a new kit for self-adjusting clutches. We've now got a one-piece spider in this kit rather than the 2 in the predecessor, and it's also got 6 mandrels in it now for the BMWs rather than the 3 of its predecessor. This side we've got the latest cooling system pressure test kit with all the later caps in it. As manufacturers change the headers and such like, we have to change the caps, so this has got all the latest ones in it as well. So we also carry some of our larger units on here, things like our latest pneumatic coil spring compressor. On the back door here we've got the most popular selling oil filter wrench on the market at the moment. This is for the Peugeot derived 2-litre engine. It's fitted in all the late Peugeots, Fords and Citroens, and it's the oil filter situated underneath the inlet manifold on the 2-litre engine. Okay, cheers guys, appreciate your time today. Hope we can catch up next time we're in the area.